kitty. Hey everybody, DIFASA Productions. This is Sunga again. You all know him. Now, sorry for not having too many videos about Fauna because I can just never find her. Oh, my goodness. Get the full body. And he also loves belly rubs. And he's also very frisky. You're a frisky boy. Ow. Didn't hurt. Are you scratching those? They don't usually sleep in that. They sometimes do, though. Oh. They don't really talk very much. Fauna does sometimes if she's in the mood. Oh. Hey, Sunga. Oh my goodness, did you see that? He just went like... Wow, he just like waved at me. Hi. Get it? Get it? Ow! Hurt. Anyways, say bye, Sunga.